Hello, welcome to everyone. Let's see the topic functions and their inverses. There is a question which has five subdivisions and it is familiar for IGCSE, CBSE papers. Okay, let's go to the question. The main question statement is it is given that f of x equals half x plus 5 and g of x is equal to 4x minus 2 over 5. This is a given function. With this function, we have to do all the subparts a, b, c, d and e. Okay, shall we proceed? Yeah. What would be the A solution? It is solve f of x equal to 0. So, for solving this, we have to set the function f of x, that is half x plus 5 equal to 0. We have to set this. Then, to eliminate 5, we have to subtract 5 on both sides. So, we get negative 5. Then, to eliminate half, we have to multiply 2 on both sides. We get minus 10. So the value of x is 10. So say A subpart is completed. Then going to B subpart. For it is find the g inverse of x. So g is we have, let me take y equal to 4x minus 2 by 5. First step is we have to replace x by y and y by x. And then we have to, sorry, and then we have to rearrange the term as y is equal to terms of x. Am I right? Yeah. So shall we rearrange? Yeah. X plus 2 by 5 equal to 4y. And we have to divide 4 on both sides. X by 4, 2 by 20 equal to y. While we simplified, we get y equal to x by 4 plus 1 by 10. So g inverse of x equal to x by 4 plus 1 by 10. Okay. Okay, shall we proceed third option? Third solution? Yes. We have to find f of x equal to g of x in decimal place. Okay. Shall we move on to that part? Yes. So what is our f of x? F of x is half of 1 minute. We can go to the previous video, previous slide. It's half x plus 5. Half x plus 5. G of x is 4x minus 2 by 5. We have to, yes, we have to solve this by making the x terms in one side and y and the constant term is other side, and we can simplify them further. Initially, what can we do? Yes, we can multiply by 10 because here it's a denominator 2, here is a denominator 5. So LCM of 2 and 5 was 10. So 10 x by 2 plus 50 equal to 40x minus 4, sorry, 20 by 5. Let me simplify. 2x plus 50 equals 40x minus 4. So this implies 1 minute. 10 by 2 is 5. 10 by 2 is 5. 5x plus 50 equals 40x minus 4. Then 35x is equal to 54. Now we have to make 54 divided by 35. We need to write it in a decimal place. So what can we do? We can do like 35 plus 54. Okay, shall we write 54 as 35 plus what number? Yes, 9. 9. 19 by 35. Then 1 plus 19 by 35. Now we have to write 1935 in terms of decimal places. We can add the decimal point 0. Uh, how much of 35 goes to give the nearest value 190. Shall we take 4? 5 fours are 20, 70, 140. Okay, so we can go for 5. 5 fives are 35, 5 fives are 25, balance 2, 3 fives are 15, 16, 17. Then we can subtract 80, 110, 150, and then 140. We can go for 140, which is 4. 5 fours are 20, balance 2, 3 fours are 12, 13, 14, balance 10. Then go for again 0, then 275 by 70, balance 30. So we are required correct to two decimal places. Third decimal places is less than 5. So our answer must be 0, 1, sorry, 1 plus 0.54. So approximate value is 1.54. Okay, that's all our part C. Part D. What would be the inverse of f? We know that inverse function is half of x plus 5. Then we can replace x by y, and then we can rearrange the terms. X minus 5 equal to half of y, and we can multiply by 52. So 2x, sorry, x minus 5 equal to y. So we have the answer for f inverse also. Okay, shall we proceed to the next question? Next part. Yes, find the value of g of f inverse of minus 2. This is nothing but our composition mapping. So first we can find g of f inverse of x. So g of f inverse of x, just now we have found 2x minus 5, 2 of x minus 5. So then g, what would be the g value? It's a 4 times x. Here x is 2 of x minus 5 and minus 2 by 5. This is our g. Then let me distribute 4 and 2 to the quantity x minus 5. So 8 minus 5, 8 times 5 is 40, 2 by 5. Then we can simplify the negative 2 by 5 and negative 40. We get negative 202 by 5. So at x equal to minus 2. At x equal to minus 2. So 8 of minus 2 minus 202 by 5. This is minus 16, 202 by 5. Then while taking LCM, we get 202 by 5. So our answer is to be minus 282 by 5. Okay, that's all. Then shall we go to the next question of subdivision. That is f inverse of f of 3. So we know that it is a inverse. F is inverse of f inverse. F inverse is a inverse of f. So by the property, we can write directly as 3. Then F inverse of G inverse of 4. Oh, we first of all we can find what is F inverse of G inverse of X. F inverse of G inverse. G inverse is, what would be the function of G inverse? It is x by 4 plus 1 by 10, which is the answer for part B. Then F inverse is 2 of x. What is x here? This is x here, minus 5. This would be the F inverse. Then 2 of x plus 4 plus 1 by 10 minus 10, 50 by 10. We get 2 times x by 4 minus 49 by 10. Then x by 2 minus 49 by 5. Then we can apply x equal to 4. So 4 by 2 minus 49 by 5. We get 2 minus 49 by 5. Then 10 minus 49 by 5. We get minus 39 by 5. This would be the answer for part E, third question. That's all. In this session, we have learned about, initially we are learning about how can we solve f of x equal to 0. Then second part we have learned f inverse, how to find g inverse of x. Then in third part we are we are discussed that if how can we solve f of x equal to g of x equation. Then part D we have discussed f inverse of x, and part E some of the composite function, and at particular point how can we find that composition function value. Okay, okay, thank you.